Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that I will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we are talking about how you go ahead and deposit money into Vanguard via your desktop. And so we're going to go ahead and get right into that. But if you take a short moment to just go ahead and smash that like button for me and hit the subscribe, that would be really phenomenal, as it does take a little bit of time to make these videos, make sure they're edited right, and make sure the content looks good. But with that said, let's get right into it. As you can see, we're already in my Vanguard account, and we have two accounts right here. One with $0, that was for my rollover, and then my Roth IRA. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and click on the Roth IRA account. We're going to go ahead and go over to buy and sell, and we're going to go ahead and click that. And once we have that clicked, we will be scrolling down. I know there's options for, invest with Vanguard mutual funds, trade ETFs or stocks, or transfer money to your Vanguard settlement fund. But what we're going to do is we're actually going to hit contribute to IRA. Now, there is an option to go ahead and set up an automatic transaction, but because we're not looking to set up an automatic thing that happens monthly or weekly, we're just going to go over and hit contribute to IRA. Once you go ahead and hit contribute to IRA and your page loads, you should see this right here where it'll show you details for your rollover IRA, or in my case, a Roth IRA as well. And so I'm going to go ahead and click that, and it'll be able to hit scroll down. And there is no rollover from my employer-sponsored plan to my IRA. So as you can see, I've already invested $1,500 via my mobile app. And I'm doing this so you guys can see it via the desktop. So what you would do is you would scroll down, and right here you'll have two options. The fund that you're already invested in your account, which for me is my total stock market index Admiral shares, or the federal money market account, which is the settlement fund that they give you at the beginning. And because I want to go ahead and invest in individual stocks, I will be selecting the federal money market fund, and I will be putting $1,500 into that federal money market fund for the $3,000 that I put into my Vanguard account every single year. Now, as you can see, headlined on top of that is the 2020 contribution or the 2021 contribution. Because we still have 26 days due to the pandemic extension for filing taxes, we're going to go ahead and put $1,500 into the 2020 contribution, since we weren't able to do that in 2020. So with that said, once you have that selected and the money selected, or the amount that you want to put in, you'll go ahead and hit continue. And once you hit continue, you'll have a couple options here. You can add a new bank, you can send Vanguard a check, or you can exchange from another fund, or you can use the bank that you already have filled in your account. And so with that, I'm going to go ahead and select the primary bank that I already have. I'll hit continue. I have to go ahead and consent to the electric delivery of fund prospectus, and I'm going to go ahead and do that and accept that. Once I accept that, you'll be able to see all the information right here, and then you'll be able to submit. You can make sure that it's correct and accurate, and once you do that, you'll be able to submit. And with that, you should see a confirmation number and have the money deposited, and it's pretty much instantly deposited. Now, whether it's settled in the account and ready for you to use is another question. It might take up to an hour if you're doing it during trading hours, but usually it's pretty instant. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you would take a moment to smash that like button, hit the subscribe, and leave a comment if this was very helpful to you, that would be super awesome. The goal for this channel right now is to get it to 500 subscribers. We are over 170 away, with only about 3% of the people that watch my channel actually subscribe. So if you guys would really do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, that would be absolutely phenomenal. But with that said, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you, and God bless.